Google's Gemini Ultra 1.0. It's the new player in the arena, but with a punch. Now, Gemini has been making some buzz, claiming to outshine GPT-4 in almost every aspect, but wait, is it really the Chat GPT killer? Google's chatbot Bard has gone through a makeover and is now strutting around town as Gemini. No more Bard, just pure Gemini vibes, and you can catch it all at gemini.com.now. Check this out. There are two plans in the mix. First off, there's the freebie with Gemini Pro. But if you want to level up to the big leagues with Gemini Ultra, that's where the real magic happens, starting at $19.99 a month. And guess what? They're throwing in 2 months free for Gemini Advance. Now, let's compare that to our old pal Chat GPT chilling at a cool $20 a month for the GPT-4 experience. Sure, they might share a price tag, but Gemini's bringing in the big guns with access to Gmail, Docs, and more, plus a hefty 2 terabytes of cloud storage. You see, when Gemini first hit the market, only the Gemini Pro variant was available. Google claimed it could hold its own against GPT 3.5, but with GPT-4 on the block, the news was a bit underwhelming. However, the real game changer was supposed to be Gemini Ultra, slated for early 2024 release after some private testing. Rumor had it that Ultra would be part of a premium plan, originally Bard Advanced, but now with the Gemini Advanced badge. The earlier Gemini versions were all right, serving up Shakespeare snippets, tea tips, and basic recipes. But when it came to visuals and response time, they lagged behind Chat GPT. The Gemini Ultra enters, promising the world, but hey, it's not perfect. While it's fast at real-time updates and detailed business info, creative tasks, that's where it falters a bit, especially in the image department. It's not all that bad. Gemini Ultra still shines bright when it comes to handling those typical Google tasks. Now, here's where things get really interesting. Refining these AI assistants for top-notch, spot-on responses, that's where it is, guys. And Gemini Ultra? It's not messing around. This one aims to soar beyond simple Q&A sessions and book summaries. When it comes to Gemini Ultra versus ChatGPT 4, Gemini Ultra knocks it out of the park when it comes to understanding all sorts of data, images, audio, video, you name it. Let's talk benchmarks. Gemini Ultra crushes it on 30 out of 32 academic benchmarks. That's some legit stuff. When it comes to broad comprehension, Gemini Ultra blows our minds with a whopping 90.0% score in MMLU, handling a whopping 57 subjects with ease. GPT-4? Well, it's not too shabby, but it falls a tad short with an 86.4% score, and don't even get us started on multi-step thinking. Gemini Ultra flexes with an impressive 83.6% score, leaving GPT-4 in the dust. When it comes to understanding perception, Gemini Ultra shines bright with an 82.4% score, outperforming GPT-4 yet again. And let's not forget about numerical ability. Gemini Ultra dominates with a 94.4% score in basic arithmetic, while GPT-4 trails behind with a 92.0% score. And in coding tasks, Gemini Ultra is a force to be reckoned with, scoring an impressive 74.4% in generating Python code, leaving GPT-4 in its wake with a 67.0% score. Gemini doesn't stop there. When it comes to coding benchmarks, it runs along industry standards like Human Evil and the internal dataset Natural 2 Code, with a stellar 74.9% zero-shot capacity, just edging out GPT-4's 73.9% score in the same task. Now, here's the thing. While both models, including ChatGPT, pull data from different sources, Gemini AI stands out for its adaptability and sheer power, setting itself apart from ChatGPT and other AI models in the field. In image-related benchmarks, Gemini Ultra outshines its predecessors, even without the crutch of optical character recognition systems. This just goes to show Gemini's inherent knack for understanding multimodal data, flaunting its advanced reasoning capabilities. This upgraded version doesn't just widen the scope of user interactions. It also demonstrates a deeper grasp of contextual clues gleaned from past interactions. And let us tell you guys, this enhanced capability opens up a world of possibilities for real-life applications. Alright, imagine you're a student wrestling with a tricky math concept. Gemini Ultra steps in as your tutor, breaking down complex subjects into bite-sized chunks, providing sample exams for reinforcement, and engaging in back-and-forth discussions to clear up any confusion. Take calculus, for example. Gemini Ultra can guide you through derivative calculations, offering insights and practice questions along the way. And it's not just students who benefit. Software developers, listen up. When you're stuck in a coding situation at work, Gemini Ultra steps in, brainstorming ideas, evaluating coding approaches, and even recommending database optimization methods. We mean, with Gemini Ultra by your side, the possibilities are literally endless. Now you see, Gemini Ultra isn't just for students and developers, it's also a great tool for digital creators looking to up their content game and connect with their audience on a deeper level. Gemini Ultra analyzes industry trends, churns out fresh content ideas, and sparks creative ways to engage your audience across platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, or Reddit. It's like having your content strategist at your fingertips. From recommending trendy content themes to suggesting tactics for boosting user interaction, Gemini Ultra has got you covered. And check this out, it can even whip up intriguing captions and posts that'll have your audience hooked. Whether it's education, software development, or content production, Gemini Ultra shines bright, adapting to user demands, fostering learning, unleashing creativity, and ultimately boosting productivity and effectiveness. Now, if that's not amazing, we don't know what is. So, what really sets the Gemini apart from others? Well, it comes packing a unique feature. Imagine you're a content creator looking to tailor your material to different situations and audiences. With Gemini Ultra, it's easy. Unlike its counterparts, Gemini Ultra lets users tweak their content on the fly, offering options like shorter, simpler versions or longer, more formal ones. And here's the thing, Chat GPT doesn't have this feature yet. With just a tap, users can control the depth and breadth of their content, whether they're crafting a quick summary or diving deep into detailed explanations. This flexibility saves time and effort, delivering customized results without the need for extensive editing or refinement. And here's the best part about that. By opting for simpler results, users ensure clarity and accessibility, making their content more digestible for a wider audience. And if that wasn't enough, Gemini Ultra also gives you the power to tailor the tone of your content to your target audience or purpose. Imagine you're writing about space exploration, and with Gemini Ultra's versatile options, you can effortlessly adjust the tone to your liking. Whether you're aiming for a conversational and friendly style or a polished and authoritative voice, Gemini Ultra has got you covered. This customization enhances the relevance and effectiveness of your content, making it more engaging and resonant with your audience. But wait, another area where Gemini Ultra truly shines is speed. While Gemini can churn out responses in around 21 seconds, Chat GPT takes nearly 45 seconds for the same task. Now that's a significant difference. And let's face it, in today's world, speed matters. Gemini's lightning-fast responses are thanks to its specialized design and dedicated hardware, allowing it to process and generate responses at lightning speed. Anyway, after reviewing all of these facts, what do you think? Will Gemini take over ChatGPT? Please share your thoughts in the comments section below, and we'll meet again in the next episode. Until then, see you.